Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Netflix. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.